How to save mobile data on a Snapchat app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to save mobile data on Snapchat app. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now proceed towards the Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. Select the gear icon in order to access settings at top right corner of the screen. On settings section, scroll down and proceed towards data saver. Check mark the box next to data saver. Now you have to select how long you want to enable the data saver, and this has enabled or saved your mobile data on a Snapchat app, which will reduce Snapchat mobile data uses, and you will need to manually load content like lenses and snaps, and they may take longer to view. That is how we save mobile data on a Snapchat app. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.